The 2025 KTM 790 Adventure is designed to make two-wheeled adventure travel easier. This motorcycle is designed, developed in Austria, and assembled in China. Now, with an adjustable WP Apex front suspension, it not only ticks all the boxes regarding what an adventure machine should be. Instead, it breaks out of the box altogether. Built around a torquey parallel twin-cylinder power plant, and boasting a class-leading electronics package. The KTM 790 Adventure is undeniably ready to race with two new colorways. The graphics are produced within mold technology instead of stickers, raising the level of finish and durability. The KTM 790 Adventure sports a KTM Rally-inspired, taller windscreen for improved wind protection on road, with unique anti-buffer aerodynamics. Upgraded TFT display. A state-of-the-art full 5-inch TFT display keeps you informed with everything you need to know about the machine below you. Additionally, an optional connectivity unit allows the connection between the KTM Connect app and the TFT via Bluetooth for turn-by-turn plus navigation, music, incoming calls, and quick access to KTM roadside assistance. Up front, the adjustable 43mm WP Apex open cartridge upside-down front fork has been specifically set up for adventure riding. On the rear, a WP Apex shock absorber keeps the ride smooth and balances typical KTM performance riding with all-day riding comfort. Frame. A tubular chromoly steel frame is used with the engine acting as a stressed member to reduce weight and overall size. The steel trellis subframe was developed to be compact, lightweight and also strong enough to carry a full load of luggage as well as a passenger under the hardest conditions while extreme adventure riding. The KTM 790 Adventure is fitted with off-road-oriented Pirelli Scorpion STR rubber. These are ideal for riders looking for durability, handling, and mileage on road. Ergonomics with tank spoilers and rear side panels slightly wider than the seat. Hitting the long road to nowhere is easier thanks to improved rider movement. This also helps with reduced wear and tear on the seat, while the slim shape of the fuel tank is optimized for precise handling and control when standing on the pegs.